Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use elytra in Minecraft. Elytra are a fantastic item that let you soar through the skies, making exploration much faster and more exciting. You'll find these rare wings in end cities, typically within an end ship. Once you have them, simply equip them in your chestplate armor slot, just like any other piece of chest armor. Then, find a high place and jump off to start your aerial adventure. Once equipped, using elytra is quite intuitive. To activate them, simply jump while you are falling from a height. You'll immediately begin to glide. Your movement is controlled by where you look. Looking up will cause you to ascend slightly, while looking down will make you dive. Mastering this control is key to navigating the world. For a safe landing, aim for a gentle, shallow angle towards the ground. To truly master elytra flight, you'll want to incorporate firework rockets. These amazing items give you a significant burst of speed and allow you to gain altitude or extend your flight indefinitely. Simply hold a firework rocket in your hand and right-click while gliding to launch it. Each rocket provides a powerful push, making long-distance travel incredibly efficient. You can craft them with 1 paper and up to 3 gunpowder. For advanced users, consider practicing your flight in creative mode to get a feel for the controls without risk. Always be mindful of your surroundings. Colliding with blocks at high speeds can cause significant damage to both you and your elytra. To maintain your wings, apply the mending enchantment, which repairs them using experience orbs. The unbreaking enchantment also greatly increases their durability, allowing for many more hours of flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.